sir, we can say me chose Champions League. See, I know near Ali and but quickly, Mami can say Ali Malul can say only Ali boy. Ali is a curse unto you. Only a curse unto them. Yeah, they are the curse. So you must be ready. And Abdel Monem can say, say Ali Malul na mistake na go Dubai. Yeah. Now we see there. He made sure or say Okobo corner no. Now Okate knows that this corner, and don't forget, look, this team is an exceptional team. One share here, Ebedu baby, good Champions League match. This is 11th cup they won. This is 11th title I'm win you. 3 in 4 years. 2020, almost share Zamalek. 2021, Kaiser Chiefs. 2022, Omoluzi to work. 2023. So in 4 years, we only 3 Champions League trophies.
But record now no thing.
There's
a way no for Champions League to say. Egypt or
League no more.
I want to say league in the criteria as a chrono move no. That not the alley worker. As a horror. Cap will be no more born was our crew no more. Look, I'm a simple.
Yes, serious. And you see, you understand the quality of this team is exceptional. Ali Malul, I see, a yan yase. And one with the standard and expect. See, and he has on the numbers na go no a buy side a dane zura go no. And to obey redeeming. Now the goal that was scored, Vas or mammy go now. Oh, say Ali Malud superb corner, and now Mohamed Abdel Monem a wonderful run and a flicky header. No, just watch it, Maza. When you grow, brilliant. Now. It is not the first time he's done this in a champion. It shows you the excellent work the coach does. Omoni Mamelodi Sanders. Okay. Mamelodi Sanders go no. Mohamed Abdelmonem corner no free one Ali Mulel. Omoni Raja Casablanca. Once again the first goal Ali Malul corner Mohamed Abdelmonem. So 3 goals Mohamed Abdelmonem machine the corner will always come from Ali Malul. And or qua on obetu corner no obetu pen or movie I'm meeting at the right place at the right time. And this team has showed exceptional quality. Her team no Osha, the Trident, Hussein El Shahat on the left, Pesita on the right, Mamu Karaba, almost 11 goals. Now Osha the game that Ali played against Esperanza, when they shared 2 goals. Pesita, Mamu Karaba, 3-0 or 2-0 no. You see a different set of players scoring. Overshare Mamelodi Sanders ne Ali first legger. When they share goal, no, you realize say 1 Abdel Monem, 2nd Hussein Shahat. You go again to the game against Omoni Hilal. When they share goal, no, at home Karaba Pesitao. So you realize that goals are almost sharing. You know, Mohamed Sharif Beshe 5-2 against Mamelodi. Mohamed Sharif ni Pesitao. Almost spread the goal. In fact, Osha in midfielder, the only person on share goal from 5 feet to attack air leading.
Or don't quite share goal. But I will go so much charm or much and the 2 near dear when you're below out. I don't only a show team no quality. No. The quality. When you are, we were. Now you have a situation about Oman Kasafa, Marawan Atia, young talented player from Academy, and now Abeyi Amre, the general Sulaya to bench. And the team no couldn't name ya san share back a cracker. Ahmed Kenduchi. The game against Curtis Pogarua, game number 2nd leg will feel no share 3. No the first one share 4 away. Mamu Karaba the hat trick no pesitao. And no and na onya baku share Ahmed Abdelkader. Enya baku share. Ahmed Kenduchi share goals that game no. And Ahmed Kenduchi after channel by no, he's been on the bench. The quality of the bear, Mohamed Afsha Mabi, every bench a buy. It's a top class. Hussein El Fremo. Then you have a situation where Abdel Keda buy from the Rami Rabia. Do near dinner. You have to bring to Pesipal out because of a close game. No, this team is a team that Mohamed Shanawika. I'll say, Ali, you lie. This 11 almost quite job when we are. They are considering winning the league. Almost winning league now. They prepare for the Super League. Then we prepare for another champion. So clearly, any team almost they are resting on their oars after the 11th title. You see, I hear difficult for any club unless say and look, they didn't start well. Share matches though. Look at the game they almost lose against Al Hilal.
Growing Lipo go no. She 5-2 dropping crap up. Mamuli Sana di Mamosa bought 2-2 of ye. But me can say Ali. Omono me mamun drew the quarter-final stages or semi-final. Knockout stage, they hit knockout stage. And the ones that me can say two-legged final alichiri. And Abdemunem, 90 years or prior before last year's game, one-leg final no. Until Osi Weno were mini and this young player, member coach Pat Piso Muzumani. Also, Piso na man offering future star or a long player from Ali. A buy or buy, and I'll start to say or using or dropping Ayman Ashraf. And our share so he's all using na yes. And since then, he is the best centre back on the African continent. Very intelligent, calculated, read the game very well, or your discipline, the tackles, your spot on, his organization, his area ability, or your superb. And then also where it matters more, the judgment to go and read and score at your top class. 24-year-old Ali, a winning, but trust me, this team. They are still almost age is still very good, average of 27 years. It means that by the next 2 years, now, no the shame. The shame. Some Jean Crasso, no, my husband confess Jean Crasso. Jean Crasso was a striker. Jean Crasso 1.3 million a year, so they bring him on. And the team no winning, shemu to make sure say oil na aggressive engine. Senegal be very ready to actually do it now. That's the last one. Novak Djokovic, and yet 23 Grand Slam, no win here. That's not the point. But clearly, okay, so last year, because some chose so be best successful in terms of slam, even Novak Djokovic. Now, Novak is not only just a player on the tennis ball, but he's an example to a lot of young people. Like Onwaka, you know. Or see, or can say a lot of young people. After or they did the Banoba Ebemano and then he was doing a pool. Also, we are Columbia. My own dream say time or not awesome die say or not at age 7 awesome die say but yet or Baba winning Wimbledon one day. Or there soon be a young man, a man ma bibia and betra there sumuda. Nyajide say also so awesome die live today but prepare for Ochina. So also bet me will be. And for me that is very touchy coming from him. Yeah. That sad Diana now also and what Timia Archie we only about 23 Grand Slam. Now nearby man who be who is a one aqua wino or your feet on tempera. And then the Tumuso soon say or pre crowd to me the winning in a semi-final on your Kawasaki not on your or wrist injury or the boy winning. 23 Margaret Connell 24 so now we're 23 now or you're the defending champion for Wimbledon. Our child Nick Kyrgios last year. So a prime man, ne Wimbledon winning. Don't forget, he's the only tennis player in history. Where our winning Grand Slam no a piano 3-3-3-3. A piano 3 see that. Now at 23, not his age at 30, but at 23 Grand Slam, one share my anticipation so bet me about tennis very effectively 2 years because you're very athletic and very fit. Because of that, I may share say this year one sure bet me win the 2 Grand Slams. Akano. Winning 2 Grand Slam naka say prime man. You move to 25. Me makase obe winning 28 to 30 Grand Slam and it's doable for him. Because omo maka nyina mema bi enim. Unfortunately, Gasparud on any boy or you good but or inexperienced. Carlos Alcaraz on we say clearly on Drew Garun. Daniel Medvedev on your consistent. These are the only 4 that can put a stop to him. But unfortunately, on my dream level, the experience, the quality, no, a warfare compared to him. Rafa Nadal on banning that debut. We.
There's only a year record now.
And I'm so happy for him. He's so intelligent, crafty, technically very gifted tennis player.